Hello. A couple of years ago I did make a video about cleaning toilets with dishwasher tables. But just part 1, and everyone was asking, where's part 2, where's part 2? So yes, I did finally make the second part of the video with all of the answers in it. So that's it. Enjoy. More than 3 years ago I made a video in which I asked the question, are dishwasher tablets any good in cleaning toilets? So this is part 2 with the final solution. Cut! For last 9 months I was collecting limescale to show you how good and effective is like regular vinegar that you can get for cents in your local shop. Cut! As I said, for last 9 months or something I was collecting limescale in the toilet, so there is loads of it, and I will show you how to deal with it with a bit of vinegar and toilet paper. I'll be back. Well, so we are a couple of hours in the process. I just left it for like 1 or 2 hours. Let's see what are the effects. Oh, come on. Again. So we'll have to repeat the process. So, just to wrap everything up at the end, dishwasher tablets, they are alright, okay, but not the best thing. And secondly, they are very corrosive, yeah? And vinegar is corrosive, but technically speaking, in right dilution, it is used as food. So it is not as toxic as dishwasher tablets. Dishwasher tablets are basic. Usually vinegar is acidic. You can add citric acid if you want. That's a food additive as well. So you have 2 acids together, but remember never ever to mix chemicals and cleaning agents that you don't know how to use. Especially don't mix the ones with chlorine in it, because you can release it. It's not a good idea, okay? But vinegar and citric acid, they work fine together. The thing that you can do is use warm water as well. That should speed up the process. But in general, vinegar, in my less than humble opinion, is better, even much better than dishwasher tablets. It really depends as well on the region that you live in and type of limescale that you have. Some regions in Ireland here have no limescale at all. And I think one of them is Killarney. They have water is very, very, very clean. But here where I live, we do have limescale problem, and there's loads of it. And you've seen the toilet before, and this is the video of the toilet sit after. And that's just vinegar and a bit of citric acid that did the job. I have to do it 3 times, but the final effects are final and very good in my less than humble opinion. So that's it for today. See you next time. Bye!